Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Know how to clear the search history on YouTube from PC or mobile phone. The steps, the procedure will remain same. So open your youtube.com in the browser, and at the left hand side where we have many options like home, shorts, there's an option called history. Now this is actually a watch history. I'll click here. So whatever you have watched from here will show you the watch history. Alright, so it is actually different from the search history. So here you can check watch history and you can remove from watch history. You can also click here and you can simply remove it. But we need to remove the search history. So to do that, we need to click on this manage all history. And I'll click on that. And here you will find the searches, whatever you have searched. This will be right here, and you will have an option to delete it. So if I click on this delete, I can see I can delete it for today, I can delete for custom range, or I can delete for all time. So it is up to you how you would like to delete. So this is how you can clear the search history and watch history from YouTube. And if you like this very short tutorial, please hit the like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section if you have successfully done that, or if you have any doubts. I'll try my best to clear that. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.